Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look using the new Artistry Studio Bangkok Edition collection. This video is in partnership with Artistry. You guys saw I went to Thailand at the end of July and it was for this collection. So I'm so excited to be showing you guys a full makeup look using all of the products. So if you would like to see how to get this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm finally doing a tutorial on the Artistry Studio Bangkok Edition makeup, which is why I was in Thailand. We toured different places in the city and we learned about the new collection. I'm going to be showing you guys a makeup look. I played with these products all while I was in Thailand, and when I came back, I'm going to be just playing with the products again and showing you guys a look with them. So I'm going to start with the Artistry Studio On The Go palette. Now the design of this palette, and basically in all of their collections, they partner with a local artist. So this was designed by a local artist in Thailand. When you open up the inside, there are 3 shadows over here, 2 blushes, and more of like a highlight that you probably could use as a blush. And typically, like palettes that have blushes and eyeshadows, I don't really like the shades, but the shades in here are really awesome. I really like that there is a deeper brown as well as a transition color. It's like basically the 2 shades that you need when creating eye looks, in my opinion. So I'm so glad that basically I can use all 3 of these shades and create an eye look that I would wear on an everyday basis. So I'm going to show you guys that look today, and I'm also going to spice it up a little bit too. So what I'm going to do is I already have my eyes primed beforehand, and I'm just going to go in with the center shade, which is the transition color, and I'm going to focus this in the upper crease area. And one thing that I was doing a lot when I was in Thailand is I was using the blushes in this palette for eye looks. So you definitely don't have to stay with the eyeshadow shades on the side. You can definitely use the blushes, which makes this a really good all-around palette for the eyes and for the face. So I've laid down that color. It's just a very light transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with this middle shade that's basically directly next to it, and it's a blush, but I'm going to use it in the crease, and I'm only going to use a little bit of this because this is pretty pigmented. I'm just going to focus on building up the shade and not using so much all at once. Okay, so on the lid, I'm going to go in with this top shade right here. It's more of like a gold shadow, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid, kind of map out where I want the shade first with my brush, and then I'm going to go in with my finger to intensify the shimmers. So I went ahead and kind of finished up this eye, so I knew what I wanted to do over here. I went in with the top highlights, and I kind of added this to the outer portion of the eye just to make it look a bit different on the lid. Like it's first just a gold, and then it kind of goes into a pinky gold on the end. And then with the dark brown in the palette, I applied that as the eyeliner on the top. So I went in with just a angled brush and applied this to the upper lash line. And I'm kind of just taking it and applying a thin line across the entire lash line, and this is going to kind of make your lashes look a bit thicker. And then I added something fun. So also in this collection, they have 2 kajal eyeliners. One is in Gilded Amethyst, and that is a purple, and then one is in the shade Emerald Green, which is of course a green. I'm gonna go in with the shade Gilded Amethyst, which is the purple, and apply this directly in the waterline, and it just creates like a bit of fun to the eye look. And then I'm gonna go back in with the brown I used to line my eyes on the top and kind of just a little bit smoke out the outer corner of my lower lash line. Not too much, just a little bit. And then for the other fun part, so they actually came out with 3 shimmering cream eyeshadows. Let me close this one up so I can show you guys all 3. There's 2 like in the goldish family. So this one is like traditional gold, and then this one is more of a rose gold. And then they have this fun purple one right here that you can use like for a night out. They're all really pretty. You definitely can use these paired with the palettes, or these by themselves, or the palette by themselves, whatever you want to do. I wanted to use this shade, which is in the shade Gold Crush, and I used it as a inner corner highlight. You can see it on this side, and just a little bit applied to the inner corner. It's like so intense right away. So pretty. So I'm going to apply a pair of lashes off camera, and I will be right back to finish the lower lash line off with mascara. Okay, so lashes on. Now I'm going to do my lower lashes. So in this collection, they came out with a mascara base primer. So it looks kind of like a whitish pinkish color when you apply it, and then you on top of it apply the mascara. So I'm gonna apply the primer first. It's going to boost the volume that you get with their mascara by 80%. So you apply this first and you kind of let it dry a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and apply the mascara. That actually looks super cool, just like that. So you can kind of see just how thick my lashes look now, and then you apply the black on top from their mascara. So it just makes your lashes look super thick. So the mascara that I am using is actually, it didn't come out with the Bangkok edition, it came out with the NYC edition. So the way that you use this mascara, it actually twists depending on what kind of look you want for your lashes. So you make it longer, or you can make it smaller depending if you want length or volume. So I'm going to use it in the longer version of the mascara. So I'm going to line my lips really quick with a dark brown lip pencil, and you can see that it's pretty bright, so I'm going to apply a little bit and just really blend it so that it's more of a muted version of this shade. Okay, so for blush, I actually almost forgot. So I'm going to go in with the center shade to kind of tie in the eye look with the cheeks, because I did use that shade in the crease. And literally you only need a little. Such a pretty blush. I was like non-stop using this on the trip. That's why you can see like the words in the center, and this one is already gone because I was using it so much. And then for highlights, I'm going to use their Fun highlights. So this is the Face and Body Shimmer Gel, and this is in the shade Paradise Shimmer. It's a gorgeous pink shade. You can kind of see it maybe a little bit on here, but you're definitely gonna be able to see it on my face. A little bit goes a very long way. So I applied it to the back of the hand and kind of blending it in, and then I'm gonna tap it on the face and just really work on building it to what I want, because you can always build, but you really can't take away. So pretty. And then to finish off the look, I'm going to use the Artistry Studio Parisian Style Edition. Now this is from their Paris collection, their makeup setting spray. And this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. These products do launch on September 4th, so I will leave a link in the description box. You can use this video as a reference for when these products do launch. Thank you guys, as always, so much for watching and supporting my videos, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.